Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So basically these are double weight tape for your dash cams. So it comes in a nice little box just like this. Inside the box you do get a foldable scissors, pretty cool, and you get 30 of the VHB double way 3M tape. So you need this one right here for your dash cams, and I will show you guys in the end of the video connecting my dash cam and showing you that it does not fall. So these are the ones you have to get, and now you get 30, so you got enough just in case it does come off. You have more to go. Awesome. Okay guys, so this is the dash cam, this is the next base. So I will grab the VHB double weight tape, place it right on here, and get onto the windshield. Okay guys, so the camera's up. What I have learned is make sure you wipe your windshield with a little alcohol, and also wipe the camera accessory with a little bit of alcohol, let it dry, or wipe it to dry, and it connects perfect. You can see I can hit it, it does not fall. Perfect now. So these are the ones I recommend them. I tried them the first couple, 2 or 3 I think it was. I wasn't cleaning it, so it wasn't connecting right, but now I cleaned it, followed the instruction right, and it connected perfect. Love it. Now I'm back recording.